Hello? Hey, it's Connie. Girl, what's up? Remember I told you that, I would share the Flameades that, I got for the YouTube video I made? Yeah, oh my gosh, they're amazing. So, look, I'm so sorry, but it looks like they're personal jugs. Personal means you keep it to yourself. So I'm gonna have to, like, I'll get you your own, but I think there's not gonna be enough left to share. So I got you, you know what I'm saying, on your birthday I'm gonna get you some. So that way I keep my word, but I'm not gonna be able to, it's not, and all the things going on in the world, sharing drinks is probably not a great idea. But all right, I got you. If you want to have a little taste, I mean, I have no problem with that. But I'm just had to. I'll get a gallon next time. All right. Sorry. Bye. Welcome back. First, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video to check out this product review. So as you see in the subject line, I will be reviewing this acclaimed Londo'S Flameade. The flavors I got to review today are pineapple mango, apple, and pineapple strawberry. As you can see, these are the personal jugs. I did make a promise that I would share these. I don't know if they taste good. I might have to make a phone call and tell them to get their own jugs. All right, so the personal jugs are 1 quart, which is about 32 ounces. And from my understanding, you can freeze these and make mixed drinks and all types of things with them. All right, so the instructions say, it is best to drink ice cold, must keep refrigerated, shake well before opening, freeze it until you're ready. Mixes great with any liquor. Freeze it, it won't water down. So on the back here, you can see the different flavors. Of course, I started with 3. I will be making my way through all the flavors to see which are my favorites over time. So other flavors are strawberry, pineapple, tropical, watermelon, strawberry, grape, cherry limeade, cherry, lemonade, apple, apple watermelon, pineapple cherry, lemonade iced tea, blue raspberry, pineapple mango, pineapple blueberry, mango, cherry grape, apple pineapple, pineapple grape, pineapple orange, peach, mystery mix 1, mango iced tea, peach iced tea, pineapple iced tea, and mystery mix 2. All right, they're located on 1940 East 46th Street. Let's get to it. All right, so I got my special glasses for when I do taste testing. This is a special occasion. I have heard about these Flameades for the last couple of years. I had not been able to get by to check them out. So I'm super excited about finally tasting this wonderful product. Okay, so let me shake that up. And to my pour. It's gonna be a live taste test, so you guys get to see exactly what it is like for me tasting them for the first time. So what I just poured was the apple. All right, so looks nice. It's nicely packaged. Oh, that's good. That's delicious. From my understanding, they use cane sugar. This is also a family-owned business. So I am super excited about supporting this business. This is good. This is real good. Oh yeah, that tastes just like apple. If you've ever tasted remember back in the day, the square, like, I think they were Laffy Taffies that came in they had green and yellow. Tastes like that. Tastes like that. Okay, now it is time for the second flavor. First flavor was apple, which was absolutely amazing. Pineapple mango. Alright, so I love pineapple and I love mango, so I'm interested to see what this tastes like. Pineapple mango. And yes, on the directions of as far as like how you can use these like with mixed drinks, I can definitely see that apple with a clear definitely. Okay, so this is again pineapple mango. Ooh, I like pineapples and I like mangoes, so these taste good. That's a win. Man, that's fire. Flameade is the right name for this. It's flame for real. Yeah, I should have got a gallon of that. Pineapple mango for the win. I give that 2 thumbs up. Excellent. Okay, it's time for the third drink. Now I'm going to try pineapple strawberry. Pineapple strawberry. Isn't this cute? It's like a mini jug. And you get real selfish with that. It looks big on camera, but it's what, my glass compared to. Isn't that cute? Like how do you have like a mini gallon? That's awesome. So anyways, this is also 1 quart, which is 32 ounces. So these are actually good portions for personals. So it's actually very good thing. Totally worth it. For these small jugs, these were only $4. Only $4. So pour it up. Alright, so again, this is pineapple strawberry. Another 2 of my favorite flavors. So those have been combined. Let's see what it do. Oh my god. This will make a good slushy. Like, I'm freezing this one. And you can make a daiquiri with this. A very tasty mixed drink with that too. Yeah, these are great. So the flavors that we tried today are pineapple mango. That's what it looks like. So make sure you go in the pineapple mango. Apple. That would be good for any clear mixed drink. Absolutely. Now, this pineapple mango, I'll just drink that like straight. I'd make a slushy out of it and drink it straight. This pineapple strawberry, I think that would be good for a mixed drink, like a punch bowl. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, yes. Freeze it, make a punch bowl with this, definitely. So those are our 3 drinks. And make sure you check them out. They're located over on the east side of Indy. That is 1940 East 46th Street. So there's the car, the phone number. You can see it. Might be backwards, but that's okay. I'm gonna put it in the description box because you guys need to check this out. All these flavors, you have to check it out. I'm so glad it was worth the wait. So glad I was able to finally get over there. I want to give a huge shout out to Londo'S Flameade. Excellent customer service. I look forward to going back and trying each of these flavors. I will leave the names of the flavors that I tried today, plus the contact information in the description box below. Thanks for checking out this product review, and yes, I might make some videos on how to use these different wonderful drinks. So thank you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click subscribe and like this video if you found it useful, and share it with someone who you think will enjoy these amazing Flameades. And Flameade is the right name because they're flame. All right, take care.